As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Chilliz cost will hit $3 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $4 by the center of 2025. Chilliz will ascend to $5 inside the extended time of 2028 and $7 in 2034. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $7.67, so the cost expanded by 92% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.47, and the year-to-year change plus 440%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 182%. In 2024, we hope to see $34 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $58, which is plus 248% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $58 to $91, which is up 57%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $58, then at that point take off to $61 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $64. That implies plus 284% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $91 to $115, which is plus 26%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $91, then, at that point, take off to $97 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $96. It is about plus 476% from today. Jeju 15204. Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $20.64, so the cost expanded by 22% from the very outset of the year. The determined Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23 and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 116%. In 2024, we hope to see $18 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $25. In the last part, the cost would add $01 and close the year at $26, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $26 to $46, which is up 77%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $26, then take off to $29 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $28. That implies plus 163% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.46 to $1.74, which is plus 61%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $0.46, then, at that point, take off to $0.49 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $52. It is about plus 389% from today. So 2012-2024. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $9.85, so the cost expanded by 13% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.77 and the year-to-year change plus 139%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $25.91 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $22.95. In the final part, the cost would add $116 and close the year at $24.11, which is plus 145% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $2411 to $4044, which is up 68%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $2411. Then take off to $653 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $554. That implies plus 159% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $40.44 to $60.99, which is plus 53%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $4.44, then at that point take off to $4.42.87 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $4.45.28. It is about plus 360% from today. 0115204. Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.0870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.0854, so the cost diminished by 2% from the start of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $4.2099 and the year-to-year change plus 26%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 29%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.0936 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.54. In the last part, the cost would add $0.62 and close the year at $0.2216, which is plus 42% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.1216 to $0.1876, which is up 54%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $1.2216, then at that point take off to $1.1270 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.45. That implies plus 34% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.1876 to $0.89, which is plus 11%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $1.1876, then dip to $1.1852 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.748. It is about plus 105% from today. 0101204. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.0870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.863, so the cost diminished by 1% from the start of the year. The estimated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.1035 and the year-to-year change plus 30%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 32%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.0967 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.92. In the final part, the cost would add $0.65 and close the year at $0.2257, which is plus 46% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $1.1257 to $19.40, which is up 54%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $1.1257, then take off to $1.1313 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.84.